Okay, guys, I wanted to give you a quick review of the bond daily chart. Let's expand this out where we can see it a little bit better, at least I can. Because we got some stuff kind of going on here. Now, if you see these averages here is 8 to 21 to 55 on the daily chart. Now we could easily go right back up here and test this daily 8 EMA around that 150, 102. But you see we've got a squeeze that is fired short. And we're in the middle of this gap fill. And I think we could cover that. And that puts us down around that, the top of that 145-ish. And the bottom of it 140, 144, 143-ish. So we've got a PPO that's fired short. We've got a squeeze that is firing short, and we're kind of chopping a little bit. It could easily go up here and just test it, or this average will come down a little bit more the next day, and then we just eventually touch it. But I see some more downside here on the daily chart, so take that in consideration when you're trading the shorter time frames. That's what I do. You can see what happened with this last squeeze. It was a massive downtrend, and we talked about that right here during this time. And I caught a big chunk of that. It's good money, and you could also play that with equities and options on TLT, or when I short, I like to use TBT and buy calls on TBT instead of puts on TLT. They're a little cheaper and they give you a little more bang for your buck. But either way, you can play TLT TBT on these kind of moves, or even these kind of moves. But you see what happened in this last squeeze. Not to say that this squeeze is going to do the same, but when you get a PPO signal and a squeeze, and potential gap fill, things are lining up quite nicely. Anyway, I wanted to do a quick video just on the daily 30-year bond chart. Thanks.